Hello viewers, in this video we will explore how to use HTML tags to make web pages attractive. Viewers, welcome to this tutorial on how to use HTML tags to make your web pages attractive and engaging. HTML tags are the foundation of any web page. By using them creatively, we can structure content, add styles, and make our pages. There are basic structure of an HTML page. Let's start with the basic structure of an HTML page. Doc type. There are four types of basic structure. Number one, doc type specifies the document type. Number two, HTML, the root element of the page. Number three, head contains meta information, styles, and the title. And number four is body. This is where your content goes. This is a simple structure of page. We are using some tags. First of all, doc type and HTML. After that, HTML we use head tag and title tag. Title tag we will when we close title and head tag we start body tag. After we start body tag, we are using head tag and paragraph tag. In the next video, we will explain by detail and practice in this structure. There are adding some styling with inline CSS. We can enhance the look of our HTML element using inline CSS. In the next video, we will explain in detail with practical. There is a interactive elements means how to interact our uh, page to make the page interactive. There we using add buttons. It is used for some styles, some attraction. We use form tag, embed videos, user form input and video controls. Create navigation menu. There are a code for navigation video. HTML tags are powerful tools to create an attractive and functional web page by combining structure, content, and styling. You can build amazing websites. Practice using these tags and don't forget to experiment with your own ideas. Thank you for watching this video on how to HTML tag to make your web pages attractive. I hope you found it helpful. In the next video, we will dive into practical examples where we will practice different HTML tags, especially focus on creating and styling paragraphs. Here's a preview. How to write a basic paragraph in HTML. How to style it using inline CSS. How to create multiple paragraphs for better content structuring. So stay tuning and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about the next tutorial. See you on the next video. Thank you.